Hello friends, hope you're doing good. If you're on a personal growth journey, then you already know that the best investments are the ones that compound. Skills that open doors and habits that change who you are. Amongst all the skills, learning a new language can be one of the highest return of investment personal development moves you can make in 2026. To do so, Promova can be one of the applications that can finally help you learn a new language with easy to follow strategies and fun courses. And this is my personal opinion and review about Promova application. And in today's video, I'll be giving answers to the questions: what is Promova application and is Promova worth it or not? So on this channel, I usually cover applications that genuinely help people grow. But most of the language applications do not qualify. Many of them are designed to keep you engaged, but not to build the actual skills that you require, which is speaking. So what is different about Promova is what we'll be discussing now. And we'll judge based on real progress, not just streaks. A real speaking, not just exercises. So let's explore. So Promova is basically a language learning application combining structured self-study bite-sized interactive lessons with AI-powered speaking practice. It focuses on practical language skills for daily conversation. And from a personal development standpoint, it tries to close the gap between knowing and doing, which obviously is one of the hardest gaps to close. It consists of short 10 to 15 minute sessions building a sustainable daily habit. Its AI conversation partner removes the fear of judgment, which usually is one of the biggest hurdles for most of the learners. And the goal here is clear: get to your moment where you are actually speaking. So now let's discuss about who Promova is for. Promova can be best suited for people who are serious about growth and honest about their time. You have probably tried to learn a new language before. Maybe you stopped. Maybe you just couldn't get past the embarrassment of speaking. Therefore, Promova application is built for adults who want structured progress that fits into their real life. Professionals building business English for their career. Anyone who has felt judged or embarrassed making mistakes, Promova has removed that barrier. People who want a tool that treats the goal, which obviously is speaking fluently, as an actual outcome and not a side effect. So now let's talk about some features that stood out in Promova application for me. First, and this is the growth unlock feature, the AI speaking practice. In the AI speaking practice, which I think is one of the best features in this tool, in this feature you are given some scenarios as you can see on the screen and you choose one. You hold a full conversation and build speaking confidence without any judgment. Let me play this and see how it looks like.
Hey, want to watch a movie together?
It looks amazing, isn't it? And around 84% of users report feeling more confident speaking after using this feature of Promova. And the second is business English. It provides real workplace language for presentations, emails, negotiations, etc. Thus, Promova provides career growth potentials through its focus on business English. Third is the dyslexia mode. Promova makes use of simple strategies to make learning a language more comfortable and easy for people who find reading and spelling difficult. Promova is one of the first language learning apps to build this in. It basically means that Promova actually cares about its users. And the fourth thing is vocabulary system. You get to learn 200 to 300 words on a daily basis that actually stick with you. You can say words that actually matter to you and you can review them on a repetitive basis anywhere, anytime you want. So now let's talk about the real results. So here we have the personal growth math. Consistent 10 to 15 minute sessions compound faster than you would expect. So it is best if you do at least 10 minutes daily. With consistent practice, users are holding real conversations within months. Speaking confidence improves measurably, as this skill matters a lot for job interviews, travel, relationships, etc. So the Promova philosophy is simple. Say it anyway, even if it's imperfect. And that's how growth happens. So now let's see how to use Promova. First of all, you can go to the official website of Promova. For that, you can click on the link given in the description. You'll then need to give answers to some questions being asked. You can select the options which best suit your needs. Once done with the questions, then you need to sign up using your email ID. Once logged in, then you will land on the main interface of Promova, which is very simple. The interface of Promova is more or less same on the phone and laptop. So you can either use it on website or download its application on your mobile phone and use it anywhere you are. You see your plan here, courses for you, AI tutor, and then some tests. And from here you can change the language you want to learn. You can select from languages like English, Spanish, Korean, French, Chinese, etc. Also keep in mind that it is a paid tool but offers a 7-day free trial which vary from country to country. You can go to the link in the description and check whether your country has a 7-day free trial or not. So the final query, is Promova worth it? If you really want to build a strong skill that grows over time, then yes, learning a new language is a great choice. And Promova can be one of the reliable tools that can make it easier for you. Having said that, it is also important to know that we cannot learn any skill until and unless we consume our time and energy in learning that skill. So you can click on the link in the description to access the 7 days free trial of Promova application and see whether it fits your needs or not. And the best time to learn a new language was yesterday, and the second best time is today. You can also tell me in the comment section what language you are thinking to work on. I'd be happy to know that. So that's it from Teacher Friend in today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. And until next one, goodbye and take care.